Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do live video with you guys and let's see what's happening to the Bitcoin and why the Bitcoin is dumping. So let's review fast together guys. Everything happened in a couple of days ago and why the Bitcoin is dumping now, and let's see what is the people on the Twitter think about it, and I believe it's gonna go dump more. Of course, it's not gonna go straight all the way down straight like that, guys. I just like dump for one day, another then like go up a little bit, and then try to dump again. And it's gonna be in the side wave or moving in the waves. It's not gonna go straight down unless if there is like big huge news, and people who use leverage, they caused like huge dump to the Bitcoin in this area. That is, guys, what happened to the Bitcoin when it dumped. People was using leverage, and because of that, it dumped so hard to the 30. I am expecting, guys, to go. The Bitcoin can go all the way down to 20 and maybe touch the 15s level and come back to 20 and play in range 22 to 18, 16, something like that. But now I am waiting for the CPI report, which is going to be in Thursday, 7:30 in the morning, I believe, or 10 in the morning by Central Time. I didn't check yet, but the report, what we are expecting is going to be, they are saying is the inflation is going to be 2%. People expecting higher than that, and the report, if it came more than 2%, is the crypto market and the stock market, they are going to crash hard, so bad, guys. So let's check what is happening now, guys. For the Bitcoin, most of the Bitcoin, sorry, the Bitcoin, it dumped like almost 9% or 10% now. Ethereum 11%, and we have Binance and others altcoin follow it. And I believe everything is gonna dump. Dogecoin even 31, and I am investing in some other good projects, and I see most of them going to go down. And like I believe I'm investing in Cardano. Cardano is following the Bitcoin. You have Atom, it's following the Bitcoin. Everything is following Bitcoin, guys, because the dominance. And we have Trice. I love this Trice. It's at $5.60. VChain at 10 cents. And you have to and what else, guys? I love Harmony One. I supposed to get out, but I couldn't. I was like, I had a like technical issue, but I believe it's gonna go back to 6 cent again. And it's a good opportunity to buy, or even go to 5 cent. It's a good opportunity to buy for the Harmony. Harmony with one of these big project, guys, have potential to grow up, and actually it was gonna go up, but Bitcoin dumped like a couple of weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, and we see all the way down. And there is the news that came like a while ago. It's El Salvador Commerce Secretary, Bitcoin will not replace dollar. And let's like what we say, guys, these people in third world country, and we know them, they are not have big effect on the crypto space. And most of these people, I am sorry for them, they are so poor, and the inflation is so high, and they cannot even buy themselves a bread to eat. They are not going to invest in the Bitcoin, and most of them doesn't have bank account. So do not lie to ourselves, guys, and think it's like, oh yeah, Bitcoin to the moon, and that's a Polish. No, guys, this is not the country is going to make the big move. And that's why, guys, do not follow people on YouTube or Twitter just by the dip. No, guys, that's an asset, decentralized asset. What's meaning decentralized asset? That's meaning me and you agreed about something, and then there is no one control it. Okay, yeah, there is a big whale have tons of Bitcoin, but in the end of the day, no one control it. There is no regulation about it. There is no, like, you cannot sue the market if one of these whales try to dump the Bitcoin. All right, it's open market, but the problem is, this one is not gonna it's not gonna be fair for us, to invest in Bitcoin. It's not like companies, it has cash flow, earnings, EBITDA, many things affect the stock market itself. That's why people love the stock market more than crypto for now. And because the crypto is going to go down now because the inflation, let's review together the gold, guys, and what we're gonna see in next few days. Like, I believe the gold future, guys, is well all way up now. That's next contract. Let's see, this is the contract I'm looking for. Yes, so that's the gold. Wait, where's the gold? Yeah, all right. So I cannot see it, guys. Ah, yeah, sorry. Here it is. So look, guys, the gold now at, okay, the gold went all the way up from April from 1682 to all the way up 925. And guys, that's huge. That's people start buying gold, guys. Look to the chart of the gold and chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dumping, guys. Oh my god, that's that. It's opposite. Do not tell me that is gonna be against the inflation. You're gonna use it as a inflation hedge. No way. That's a lie, guys. We don't lie to each other. You know what I mean? So yeah, and today, yeah, so today, thank you, Nihal, for telling me that you're talking about Trump. Yes, Trump today mentioned something weird, and Trump has a big influencer, of course, and people still love Trump. Some of them, I don't want to be involved in the politician stuff and stuff like that, but everything can affect the stock market and crypto market, and people is dumping the Bitcoin, and I believe Bitcoin is a big scam. That's, I believe. Yes, not because it's a first generation. That's meaning everything like we like. It's like Nokia. If you come back to Nokia, Nokia is the first one. Why not everyone like invest in Nokia now? Nokia share now is almost $5.50. So it's like, guys, that something was huge. Nokia, it was the first company in the world to do perfect phones. Everyone in 2000 and 2001, 2003, everyone in the street has Nokia. So, and they developed from Nokia since 1989. The first one 6510, I guess, and everything. It was really like it's new technology and everything. And the first one was Nokia. Where is Nokia now? Disappeared. Bitcoin, if you're gonna say it's a gold, how gold can affect the other crypto spaces? Okay, that's not make sense to me, guys. That's not make sense to me. If it's gonna affect the other crypto spaces, I don't need it. I don't need it. You know what I mean? So please, guys, do not follow people just on the Twitter. Oh, that's a polish. Let's buy the dip. No, you have to look for many things before you buy. The fundamentally, the environmentally, even technically, what is going to happen? Why it's going to go more down? So I believe I gonna see the 20,000 and 15,000 in the next few days. Just only, it's not gonna go straight down. All of that it's gonna, of course, it has to go up a little bit today or tomorrow. Yeah, and then it's gonna turn and it's gonna touch that one. That's normal human behavior. That's what we see most of the time. And I don't know if that's gonna go more way down. I don't believe, you know, but let's see, everything can change. And if we reach to 30, it's going to be huge for me, and we can see another up to 35 again and go all the way down in this big triangle like I'm drawing it. So let's see, guys, how it's going to be. And more things I need to review about it. The US 10 years yields, guys, what is this? That is representing the interest rate, and that's, guys, it's a Polish. That's something called ball flag. So ball flag is like all the way up, and then this is the flag. And if the report came and it says this trend or this pattern, it has to break out. Like 100%, it's gonna break out unless the report came less than the expected one. It's gonna go down, right? So you have to watch for these guys, because I believe Bitcoin is not gonna continue with us because the inflation. Because like I told you guys, the inflation, the crypto space itself, it's new and more volatile. And of course, I'm a big guy. Have, let's say I have 1 million, 2 million. Of course, I'm not gonna put my money in the crypto space, and suddenly the price went to 50, 60, 80, 100% down. Of course, I'm gonna lose my investment, so I will go to the safe haven is the gold, So let's watch it, guys. I don't need you to be panic. Yeah, it's a really huge dump, 11% down. And what I believe now, the gas fee is so low. It's like 15 GWI, and that's nothing. And in 60 seconds, that's really nothing. That's like market is almost like a zombie. Ethereum, I expecting Ethereum. Ethereum has another. I believe the Ethereum is going to take the dominance from the Bitcoin, and I hope, because that seriously we got tired of that craziness, man. And here is that in the triangle. I hope Ethereum can go up in next few days after the crash, but I believe Ethereum is gonna touch 1700 again, and people gonna buy it at this level. That's like this a Polish. That's more Polish than bearish side, but it can do something like a fake out, come down here and go up again. Most of the time we can see something like that, but because the dominance effect of the Bitcoin, we're gonna see more downside. So it can be do something called double bottom, come here and people buy it again at this level again at 1800, 1700, and that is gonna be something amazing actually, because we have to see the whole DeFi system run up again, and that's what I believe, guys. DeFi is the future, and guess what? You can make tons of money when you're sleeping, passive income. You don't need to go to work anywhere. You just like put your money, you stake it, and get a lot of money from it. And besides, the price of the DeFi system or DeFi coin itself is gonna go up, up, up with the time, and you can make a lot of money. So before we before I go with you guys, let's check anything new on the Twitter, and let's see if is there's anything crazy happening around the space here. So people is talking about some like, oh yes, because the crypto is yeah, so Bitcoin is crashing now. People is like, yeah, people is like worry about the crypto, and let's see, guys. Let's watch what's happening. That maybe any news about it. Let's go search about the Bitcoin itself and see, guys. Yes, guys. So if you want to watch many things, you want to see the latest news or something, go to the Bitcoin search bar and to write down $sign Bitcoin and then go to the latest. Latest is give you some ideas about people what they are saying or what they are talking about, and says that Bitcoin blah 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 is gonna be in this range. Everyone try to say no, that's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. No, actually, it's gonna happen, and Bitcoin is gonna go more way down, I believe. Thank you for your comment, Nihal. Thank you for mentioning me about Trump. Yeah, totally forgot about Trump today. Many events happened today for me, and I should open a position actually of short position of the Bitcoin today, but I was outside today to do many things. Even Chinese people, I wish I understand what they're saying, but like we see now, they're talking like I think they're thinking it's gonna go down more, and that's like a bad downturn channel. Um, I see a lot of calls for 20K, so it's probably going to 17,000. Someone is saying people buying call options at the 20s. Do not buy anything now, please. It's not the time to buy. And I will tell you guys how you buy the dip. And actually, the dip is easy to buy, and I'm not going to let you the exact the dip. But if you want to put the limit order again, and because we have a bad news about the Bitcoin itself, so here you have to do, guys, okay? So you go to the Bitcoin, all right, and look. Oh my gosh, it's bad. Oh my gosh, it's ugly. So do not expect you guys to go to the 30, and do not buy it at the 30, because like I told you guys, it's gonna go down more down. So you have to put at 20, and most likely it has gonna do something called double bottom. So it can go a little bit slightly down than 20 and go down, but I would prefer. And then guess what? When it goes down, it has to shoot up like it did here. Like if you go one time, like straight forward down, okay, with huge volume, it has to go all the way up. Because people bought tons of orders. So what happened is like high volume, that's the top, like that is the end of the selling. People will buy and push the price because buy, reverses the trend and make all the way up. And that we know what we saw last time in 20 to 30. So that was how much exactly went up. So that is the one. Let's calculate it again, guys. It went all the way up to 42. That was 38%. And we saw most of the coins went all up like that. So what I'm telling you guys, I need you just like to be patient. Do not involve just not any dip you go and buy, because that's high risk, especially an asset doesn't have anything to do in the world. Just only people agreed about it's a coin. It's gonna go. It's gonna be the gold. Sorry, digital gold. And I don't see it's a digital gold because inflation. We are here. The inflation is not like it's not hedging against inflation. And so how you buy the dip? I will tell you guys. So do you see, guys, how is the Bitcoin here before it broke the 20? That's how you're gonna buy, but you can flip it. How you flip it is like that. This one is gonna be the inverse one is gonna be at the bottom. So when it become like that at the bottom, that's meaning is like no one touching it. It's ranging between, like, let's say what was here, 16 to 20, 16 to 20, 16, or even from 14 to 20. So when it come back to 20, you're gonna have to see something like that. It's gonna be like that 16 to 20, 16 to 20. So that's like it's ranging in this area. And that's how it's gonna be the Bitcoin. The bottom, you buy on dollar average cost. All right, if you want to invest in Bitcoin gonna go 300k. Of course it will go 300k, because guess what, it's psychology. It's a market psychology. And guess what, institutional love to buy that things because give them tons of money, guys. A volatility make to them make money. People using leverage, people using margin, people using options, people using many things. Okay, and and the market maker sit down on the bid and the ask, and the difference between the bid and the ask is going to be in their pocket. And of course something like Bitcoin, it's a psychology and everything. Every people talking about the Bitcoin now, everywhere you go, Bitcoin. Of course when it goes down, oh my gosh, in 2020 I think it's going to go up again to 50 later in the future. So we're going to start again, and we're going to see this cycle. But before we see this cycle, I hope we see something else, which is the DeFi system. It take like become decoupled from the Bitcoin, because seriously, we have tons of great project, guys. We have Cardano. Yeah, of course, Cardano doesn't have many things now, doesn't have the smart contract, but they will have. You have band protocol, which is like chain link protocol. You know, we have uh, we have the Ethereum one. We have Matic, guys, most important one. Matic is the oxygen of the Ethereum. Be careful, guys. Remember for what I'm saying to you guys. Matic is the oxygen of the Ethereum. Without Matic, Ethereum cannot live because high gas fee till they release the new Ethereum, which is Ethereum 2. So it's gonna be using proof of stake. So I need you guys to make search about this project. I recommended to you to watch many videos, and in the future I'm gonna add some videos about this project. Harmony One, and seriously, Harmony One is the undervalued project, guys. Harmony is the amazing one. People is gonna use it in the future. This one is like doing bridge between all the coins, like between Polkadot to Binance and many other and the Bitcoin blockchain itself, Ethereum blockchain, Polkadot is, blockchain, and many comes in the way. And that's why Harmony is gonna like be like a bridge, and with the low gas fee and 2 second finality, which is like a 2 second you swap your token. If you go to Uniswap it's gonna take higher fees, and it take like 6 minutes. Okay, even Matic is layer 2 solution, but Harmony layer 1, and that's totally different, and that's something huge for Harmony, but people doesn't understand that yet. So it's gonna take a while. Beside, the marketing of Harmony is not really really good in the past, but now we saw more activity and the marketing was really good. But till the Bitcoin came and crashed everything, like any other coins. If you mentioned Matic, you have to mention with it quick swap. Quick swap. Actually, I'm sorry, that's not quick swap. That's quick Ethereum. But you have to understand, guys. Quick swap something is really important too. Quick swap. If you are using Matic, you have and you want to swap some tokens, you have to use quick swap, guys, to make sure you pay lowest gas fee. I don't think TradingView have the right chart. It's in the Poloniex, and the Poloniex is not good as a marketing data, so I don't think we're gonna have a good chart for it. Rune, that's for Tron, guys, and I believe Rune is a great project, but it's like, do you see, guys, everything is bleeding. So everything is like, people tell me I wanna buy, I know, guys, do not buy. I know what I'm telling you. Everything is gonna go down, and guess what? I'm gonna see really bad days, guys. Bad days next few days, So I'm so sorry for anyone who's buying now. And I told you guys, yeah, like I told my friends, even do not buy anything. Yeah, many project is so low, but not now. You're gonna buy more cheaper. If you love to understand about project of Trice, guys, Trice is a Chinese coin. It's a Chinese, yes, like you heard, it's a Chinese, and Trice actually has a potential to go up. And today I read an article about how is the Chinese government support the blockchain and the artificial intelligence, and Trice is working on artificial intelligent smart contract, and that's a huge, guys. And I read like an article in Forbes. It was released in 2019. It's talking about Trice, and the project actually they released it like they have two tokens, the old tokens and the new tokens. The new tokens, it came at in April, or sorry, in February, and went all the way down to 40 or 50 cent, went all the way up, guys, to $32. You are talking about, guys, that's huge. That's really huge. You're talking about 5,000 gain. Imagine you put, like, you believe in the project, and you put, like, let's say, like, you're gonna put $2,000, you multiply in 500, man, you made the $1,000,000. You're just sitting down, you don't do anything. Like $2,000, you multiply by 5,000, let's say 50. So sorry, you made $100,000. Yes, I believe. I'm so sorry. No. My calculation is bad, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So you make 5,000%. So it's gonna be 100. Multiply in $2,000. You make, yes, $100,000. And guys, $100,000 nowadays. Oh my gosh, you can make tons of it, tons of things with it. But you have to understand, guys, you need to invest, and that's the only way to make money in a country. You have to invest in crypto, in the stock market, in real estate. Try to find the passive income. The good things, you can do passive income in the stock, in the crypto, by staking your coin. Get a lot of things. VChain, I'm still bullish on VChain. I am still bullish on the VChain. And please, guys, before you jump nowadays, do not think that's the dip. Actually, the dip is going to be more lower than that. Please, guys, before you enter, make sure you follow the right people, follow the right information before you put any money, and make sure you have good risk reward. What's meaning of that? Make your risk lower, make your reward higher. So by taking the best setup, the best trading for any coin, any altcoin, anything, following the Bitcoin and I hope, God willing, we see like release. I want to see the market cap. Oh my gosh, the market cap itself, the total, it went all the way up and now is like going out, going down. That's like something is like it's called fake out. It tried to break and stay out, but it came down. So that's what I like. If you watch my previous videos, guys, please watch the previous one. I have a videos talking about the inflation itself and why why the Bitcoin is not good against the inflation. You're gonna see why I am telling you guys why the Bitcoin is not gonna be good for inflation. And I expected the market go down like, and now I'm like 100% right, and I'm gonna be 100% right more when the report comes. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I give you some real information about the Bitcoin and how you read the chart, plus how to put everything in the context together. Do not play individually, and you have to follow the right people, and do not listen just only from one source, not from me, not from other guys, but you look for different resources, and to make sure to have like a conviction about the price where it will go, and take it the right way. And thank you guys for watching again my video. If you like the video, please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe my channel, and share the videos between your friends. And please, if you have any comments about the project, new projects coming, or anything about how to get out from this problem, and we can discuss multiple scenarios, how to increase money during this bear market, and what do you think about next few months, where we are heading in the summer. Do you think the Bitcoin will go back to 300 or 150 or go back to 50s? I would like to listen and see your comments, guys. And thank you for watching my video, and see you next time.